Hi all, good morning. So last class we have discussed like how to create a table and then how to insert data in a table, right? And then we have seen like about the filter condition, where is the filter condition, and about upper keyword and the lower keyword, right? And then I think we have discussed a little bit about order by. So do you have any question before we proceed further? Any question, anyone? And I have shared assignment as well.
Sir, I have not
Any-
attended the last class.
So I think I have shared the recording, right?
No, also.
Yeah,
In
Ranjan?
YouTube. Huh?
No, I have shared the link with you, right, yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is the link of the previous class. You can go through that, and if you need any clarification, you can connect with me. Okay. Okay, fine. So I will request everyone, and I think yes, assignment I have not shared. Those who have joined yesterday, day before yesterday, I will share the assignment again in the target group. Do one thing. I will share the assignment again, the one which I have shared on Friday. Please work on it, and if you need any clarification, we can discuss it tomorrow. So I'll proceed further with the today's topic. Hope it is fine for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's proceed. Goodbye. We were discussing order by, right? Okay. So fine. Let me take the examples from order by. We will continue order by today. Okay. Let me take few examples. Order by. Yeah, let's take this example. Hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes.
Okay. So suppose this is the employee table. Okay. And I have to start this July. This is employee table. And suppose I have to sort this in ascending order. Okay. So to sort, which keyword we use?
Yes. Order by.
Drop by.
Order by, right? Sorry. Order by, right?
Yeah, for sorting, we use order by.
Order by.
Yeah. For sorting, we use order by. So I will
Yes.
write order by. On which column you have to sort?
First name. First name.
Order by first name. So I will
First name.
write first name here. So the meaning of this query is we are telling SQL engine to sort the employee table, right? But based on which column? First name in ascending order, right?
Yes.
Let me run this. Just a minute. Just a minute. So this is the query and this is the, let me run this. This is the output. Tell me, is this correct output? Are we sorting based on the first name? Is the output correct?
Yes, sir.
Oh, first name is right. Ascending.
So if you will sort based on the first name in ascending order, why we have Abdul first, then Asif? They both start with A, no? So why we have
Second
Abdul
letter.
first?
Second letter has
Because-
been sorted.
Good. In Abdul and Asif, first letter is same, right? First letter is A. What about the second letter? So if first letter is same, then we have to sort based on the second letter. So in Abdul, second letter is B, right? And in Asif, second letter is S. So which comes first, B or S?
B.
B.
B. Okay, so that is why Abdul is displayed on top, and then we have Asif. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any questions so far?
No.
No. Okay. Now, why Asif Khan is displayed before Asif Sheikh? They both have same, no? A is same, S is same, I is same, and F is same. Then why Asif Khan is displayed before Asif Sheikh? What is the reason?
There is a tie in the name, so it is taking the last name as well.
No, have I mentioned anything about last name here? And why it is taking last name?
Here Khan is KHA and Sheikh is
Sheikh is the last.
HE. So it will be after A.
No, but my question is, have I mentioned anything in the query that engine has to consider last name if first name is same? Have I mentioned anything like that?
No.
I have not mentioned, right?
No,
Then
no.
why engine will consider last name? I have not mentioned anything about the last name. Why engine will consider it, right? So see, the concept is if two records you are sorting, okay, and the first name you're sorting based on the first name, so they have the same first name, correct?
Yes.
All the things are same. The first character is same, second character is same, third character is same, fourth character is same. All the characters are same, right?
Yes.
So in two records, if all the characters of first name is same, then it is the wish of SQL engine. It can display in any manner. Either it can give Asif Khan first or Asif Sheikh first. Is this clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Is this clear to everyone?
Yes. Just one doubt over here, which means that there is no, it haven't sorted based on the last name, right?
Yes, because I have not mentioned anything about
Right.
last name here, no?
Right.
So how it will consider last name? It will not consider it, correct?
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Is
Thank
the
you.
default one is automatically take the last name or
Sorry, can you repeat?
what is the default one, right? For the ascending is not preventing it automatically they take the ascending keyword, right?
If I am not writing anything, I have explained this in the previous class, that if you will not write anything here, by default, it will sort it in ascending order. Is this clear? I have not written anything, so by default, it will sort it in ascending order. Hope it is clear.
It's clear, yeah.
Yes, it is good.
Okay, now, Raj Kishore and Raj Kumar. they both have the same first name, no? Raj,
Yes.
correct? You all agree?
Yes.
They have the same first name. If they have the same first name, all the characters are same, then why Raj Kishore is displayed before Raj Kumar? What is the reason?
The last name KK is both are equal, but in the Kishore I is that
Second
before
letter.
No,
you.
no, no, no,
No,
same.
I
No,
think
it is
the
based
same
on the
logic applies to the
yeah,
ASIF also, like
as
as
whatever we
whatever
had
the
it for
logic
us.
applied to the ASIF.
Tell me one thing in the query. Have I mentioned anything about last name?
No,
Tell me.
No, no.
I have not mentioned anything about last name.
no,
Then
not
why
at all.
engine will consider last name? Tell me.
It's
It's
pick random.
Right.
you can
To
So
decide.
now they, so now both the records have the exactly same first name.
Randomly.
Then randomly engine can display anyone on top, either Raj Kishore or Raj Kumar. There is no logic for it. There is the concept of row ID. So when you will discuss it in the window function, then we can discuss it. But for the timing, you can understand that if the two records have the same first name, then it is the wish of engine. Engine can display anyone on top. Is this clear so far?
Yes.
Yeah, it is clear. Yeah.
Any question, anyone?
So for the ASIF also they pick in the randomly, right?
Yes, that is what I told. No, that is the wish of engine.
Okay.
So maybe next time if you will run Asif Sheikh will be on top and Asif Khan will be after this. That is possible. Okay. Shall I proceed if it is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, done.
Okay. So I have displayed this output. Okay. But my manager is telling, suppose I am reporting this to my manager. My manager is telling that, okay, fine. Then you are sorting this based on the first name in ascending order. So Abdul Khan is on top, it is fine. But why Asif Khan you have displayed before Asif Sheikh? So I will tell sir it is because Asif Khan and Asif Sheikh, they have the same first name. So it is purely randomly engine can display anyone on top. Correct? That is the correct reason. Right?
Yes.
If I am telling this, that is the correct justification, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
it
So
is fine.
now,
Yes.
so now my manager is telling, and see, this is the task of a data analyst because you are the one who will work very closely with your reporting manager or with your client. They will ask you that, okay, I want this data, I want in this format, and all those things. So that is why for data analyst, business analyst, you have to be very strong in SQL. Okay. So now my manager is telling that, okay, fine, Tanvir, that is fine. But my concern is you sort based on the, listen very carefully, okay? So manager is telling my concern is you sort based on the first name in ascending order, okay? But if two records have the same first name, then I want you to sort based on the last name, but in descending order. Is the question clear? I will repeat. My manager is telling sort based on the first name in ascending order. Okay. But if two records, any two records or three records, if they have the same first name, then sort based on the last name, but in descending order. Is the question clear to everyone?
Yes.
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 You all understood the question? as per my manager requirement, I have to display Asif Khan first or Asif Sheikh? Which one?
Asif Sheikh.
Why Asif Sheikh?
Yeah, if
Because
both
descending
first
order.
names are same, right? So in last name, we are choosing as a descending order.
Good. So what manager has told? Manager has told that if two records have the same first name, then the deciding factor will be the last name. But in which order?
Descending order.
Descending order. So in descending order, K will come first or S will come first.
S will come first in descending order.
That's why we will keep Asif Sheikh and then Asif Khan, right?
Yes.
Right.
Oh, now just a minute. What about next record? Raj Kishore and Raj Kumar. They both have the same.
Kumar first.
Rajkumar and then Raj Kishore.
They both have the same first name. Then we have to sort based on the last name, but in which order?
Descending order.
Descending.
So in descending order, Kishore will come first or Kumar will come first?
Kumar.
Kumar will come.
Why? They both have same K, no?
But the
K
second
is same,
letter.
but second
The
letter.
second letter.
The second alphabet is
Okay.
different.
So we'll display Raj Kumar and then Raj Kishore, right?
Yes.
So this is the requirement as per my manager. Now we have to write a SQL query for this. Hope so far it is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now to get this output, I will write a query. Let me write it. Where is this? I will explain this, but before that, try to understand the output and tell me, is the output as per the requirement or no? This is the output, okay? Just
Yes.
tell me yes or no.
Yeah.
Is this output as per the requirement of my manager?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We all agree?
Yes.
Great.
This is what my manager was looking for, no? Here, so we got the same output here.
Yes.
Okay. Now we will try to understand how this query is getting executed. Listen very carefully, okay? And throughout the SQL course, I'll be teaching you a lot of misconceptions of SQL. Okay. So here, the meaning of this query is you have to sort based on the first name. In which order? Ascending order. So first of all, Angel will take this copy of the employee table, right? Now order by first name in ascending order. So which record you will keep on top? Abdul, right? Abdul Khan will be on top. Now then Asif Sheikh or Asif Khan, because they both have the same first name. Now see, if two records have the same first name, then engine will check the next condition. Then only it will check the next condition. Understood?
Yes.
Now here they have the same first name, Asif Sheikh and Asif Khan. They have the same first name, right?
Yes.
So if two records have the same first name, there is a conflict, right?
Yes.
So if there is a conflict, then engine will check what is the next instruction user has given. So here, what is the next instruction?
Last name, descending order.
Yes. The next instruction is to sort last name, but in descending order. So then engine will check the last name. and in descending order. So Asif Sheikh will be displayed first, then Asif Khan. Is this clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So when this will come into picture, the second condition, when based on the first condition, there is some conflict or two records have the same first name, then it will check the last name. Suppose if you have this data in the table, assume suppose in the employee table you have this data. So do you think engine will consider last name this next condition?
No.
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 It will never check this, right?
Yes.
Because the first name there is no conflict.
Yes.
Are you getting my point, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this second condition, when engine will check, when on the first name you have multiple records and engine is not able to decide which one to keep first. The example is this one. Here two records have the same first name. The engine is not able to decide. Then it will check the next condition.
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, Raj Kumar and Raj Sheshu. Can engine take some decision here? It cannot take because they have the same first name. Then engine will check what is the next condition. Next condition is last name descending order. In last name descending order, which one will keep first? Raj Kumar,
Raj Kumar.
right? We'll keep Raj Kumar first, then Raj Kishore. Okay, that's why this is the output. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any question, anyone?
No questions.
Okay. Now suppose same data, okay, same employee table. Now my manager is telling me that someone has joined using the name Redmi 10. May I know your name, please? Else the admin will remove you and it will become difficult for you to attend today's class. Okay, not sure. So please, I have mentioned on Monday, Friday as well. Please log in. Amar, okay, fine. Please log in using using a registered name. Else, what happened? The admin will not find the name in our group list. Then admin will remove you, and then we will not be able to add you the next 24 hours. Okay, fine. So now here, my manager is telling that Tanveer, please, please don't ask question on the chat box. Directly ask it. Okay. So my manager is asking, Tanveer, display this based on the first name, but in descending order. Is the question clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Based on the first name, but in which order?
Descending.
Descending
Descending
order.
order.
Okay. So I will write like this. You have to listen very carefully. This is confusing. Okay. Is this correct query?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, fine. I'll execute this query. And this is the output. Now, can you guys please explain me why Raj Kumar is on top? Who will explain?
Descending order.
His name is
Because only first name.
as you mentioned, it is having since it is a tie, it is taking last name is taking
Random
random.
one. Yeah.
Is displaying based on the first name, order by first name, descending.
So here what I've written, order by first name descending, right?
Yes.
So one thing is clear that in descending order, if you compare Raj, Asif and Abdul, Raj will be on top, right? This is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, out of Raj Kumar and Raj Kishore, which one should be on top?
It's equal which it can take.
Randomly.
Purely random,
Yes.
because here
Yes.
two records have the same first name. Have I given any instruction here to the SQL engine what to do if the two records have the same first name? Have I given any instruction here?
No.
No.
No, I have not given any instruction. So engine will randomly keep anyone first. So it has kept Rajkumar first and then Raj Kishore. It is a wish of engine. Clear?
Yes.
Then similarly with Asif Khan and Asif Sheikh. Correct? Hope it
Yes.
is clear, guys.
Yes, sir.
And then the last is Abdul Khan. Hope you all understood this output.
Yes.
Yeah.
But now my manager is telling that Tanvir, okay, fine, you have displayed this based on the first name in descending order. This is clear, but my requirement is sort based on the first name in descending order. But if there is some conflict means if two or more than two records have the same first name, then I want you to sort last name in ascending order. Is the question clear?
Yes.
I will repeat. Question is to sort based on the first name in descending order. But if two or more records have the same first name, then sort based on the last name. But in which order?
Ascending order.
Ascending order. Hope the question is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if we will sort based on this as per the manager requirement, which record should be on top?
Raj Kishore.
Raj Kishore.
Why Raj Kishore? Why not Raj Kumar?
So we have given second name as a sorry, last name as ascending order. So
Okay. So hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
You all agree, guys?
Yes.
See, these all are basic blocks. Okay. If it is not clear, then you will struggle at a later point of time. So please feel free and ask questions. Okay, don't hesitate in asking questions. And don't think that others have understood. So if I will ask what they will think. No, people asking question, not an issue.
sure.
Okay, so Raj Kishore, Raj Kumar. Fine. Then after this, which record?
Sheikh.
Asif.
Asif.
Asif
Which
Sheikh.
Asif Sheikh or Asif Khan?
Asif Khan.
Asif Khan.
Why Asif Khan?
Last name is in ascending order, right?
Ascending
So,
order.
Yes, last name is in ascending order. Then at the last, Abdul Khan, right?
yes.
Okay. So actually, this is what my manager wants in the output. The first name have the same value, then last name should be in ascending order. The first name has the same value, then last name should be in ascending order. So let me write a query. This is a query. Let's verify the output. This is the output. Please verify, is this the correct output, what my manager is looking for?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
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 Okay. Now let's try to understand the meaning of this query. So order by first name descending. The meaning of this is you have to sort this based on the first name in descending order. And if,
Definitely.
I repeat, if two or more records have the same first name, then you have to sort based on the last name, but in which order? In ascending order.
Ascending order.
Hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Any question, guys? Anyone?
No.
No questions? Okay. Now I will write a query here and you guys tell me what will be the output. First of all, tell me the meaning of this query. This query, 14 and 15 line number. What is the meaning?
First name ascending order.
Both
And
will
the
be
last name should be in descending order.
Okay. Any other thought?
First, we are trying to order by the first name. Since we are not defined the keyword, it will do by default ascending order, and then the last name by descending.
Okay.
Both are descending.
Both
Mm,
are descending. Okay.
In first name,
Eighth and ninth are the both are eight, nine.
Voice is too low, not audible clearly.
Yeah,
in
eight,
first
nine.
name, if two records are the same, then
Hmm.
take last name as descending order.
Okay. Now see, what is the confusion here? There is a misconception here with many candidates. They think that first name we have to sort in descending order and last name as well in descending order. But this is not the concept, guys.
Yes.
Many of you are assuming that it is like this, and descending is applicable on both the columns. This is a misconception. It is not like that. Here, the meaning is clear. After first name, have I written anything ascending or descending?
No,
Which means
No.
it's
So this is in which order?
ascending order.
ascending.
Ascending order.
Order.
And if two records have the same first name, then you have to sort on last name, but in descending order. This is
Descending
the
order.
meaning. So actually, this query is same as this query. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, sir.
So please don't read this query in such a way that this descending is applicable on both the columns. No, this is a misconception. This descending means descending on last name only. After first name, you have not written anything. So this is ascending order. So what is the meaning of this query? Sort first name in ascending order. If two or more records have the same first name, then sort based on the last name, but in descending order. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
If you want, I will show you the output. You can verify this. This is the output. Please verify this. Is the first name in ascending order?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And do as if like
Yeah, two records have the same first name. Then engine has sorted based on last name in descending order.
Right, I thought it.
Clear?
Yeah, it's clear. Yeah.
Okay, now tell me one thing. Descending. What is the meaning of this query?
Order by
Both
first name and last
First
name.
name and last name will
Both
sort
ascending.
according to ascending order.
Ascending.
No. This is not the meaning. This
last
is
name,
not the meaning.
First.
they only consider only the first name only.
First name as
Ascending, as a ascending.
The meaning is, first of all, you have to sort the data based on first name. In which order?
Ascending order.
Ascending
Ascending.
order.
Ascending order.
Descending order. If there is a conflict, it means if two or more records have the same first name, then engine will sort based on the last name in ascending order.
Yeah,
Is this clear?
clear.
Yes, sir.
So here, if the interviewer is asking you what is the meaning of this, don't tell that here the engine will sort first name and last name in ascending order. No, that will be incorrect answer. You have to tell that first of all, engine will sort based on the first name in ascending order. If two or more records have the same first name, then engine will sort based
Last
on
name.
the last name. Is this clear now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hope it is clear. Shall I proceed further?
Yeah.
yes,
Okay. I'm writing something, so please ignore it. Okay. I will explain this at a later point of time. But this is used to delete this table, but we will discuss about this in detail. So please don't do research on this now. Now, in this employee table, now suppose I want to insert only, and I will request you guys to please go on mute if you're not speaking. Okay. Now, in this employee table, okay, before I will proceed further, I have one quick feedback. How is the pace so far? Are you able to understand? Is this
Yes.
Yeah.
clear?
Yes,
yes,
it's
yes.
clear.
That's clear.
Okay.
Sir, I have a small query.
Yes, please.
So everything I got understood, but when I practice that in the which link you shared, like Oracle Live SQL, if I enter the statements in the SQL statement, it is repeating 2 times. And if I enter 3 names, it is repeating 9 times.
Let me answer. Actually, what is happening there? See, like currently in this employee table, I have only Asif Sheikh, Raj Kumar, and Abdul Khan. I deleted the duplicate copy. Okay. Now, if the same statement, if you will execute again, like Asif Sheikh, I have already know. If I will execute this again, I will click on run button. So again, this record will be inserted. So I think by mistake, you are running the same statement again and again. Are you
No,
doing
sir.
that?
Yeah,
I think he is not selecting the particular line actually.
So if I enter only one syntax, like insert into employee value is only one name, it is showing 2 times. And I'm I'm running the command only for 1 time. And it is showing
Okay,
2
do
rows
one thing.
selected. Yeah.
Do one thing. You are trying to insert this record. Which record? Hello.
Sorry, sir, did not get you.
No, which data you are trying to insert?
No, just yesterday I tried to practice the employee table. So I have entered only one row, like insert into employees, 1
Okay.
comma something name, salary and location. Only one syntax I have entered. If I click on the run command, it is repeating 2 times.
Okay, I will tell you the reason. See, this is the table script. Okay. So what you have to do, you first of all copy this, the entire script, create and insert both. Okay. I'm telling this to everyone. Okay. You select all this and then click on run only once. Only once you have to click. this record is inserted. If you want to check, select star from employee. You got this data in this table, right? Now, suppose by mistake or something happened and you executed few records again. So again, if you will check, there'll be few more copies. Right, you're getting the same record again. If you check Raj Kishore, this is Raj Kishore. And here again, you have Raj Kishore. So I think by mistake, you will be executing the same statement again. Okay, you do one thing. You delete that table, whatever table you have filtered now, write this drop table and the table name that will be deleted and try again. And still, if you're facing issue, then let me know. Okay, connect on my WhatsApp. I will check that. I'm sure this is what you might be doing.
So
Okay.
if you, and one more thing, if you want to clear all the data, just if you want, if you click on clear, that it will clear the data in the background.
Data means the table.
Yeah, which we have entered the statements till now.
You have to write this one, drop table and the table name. And then you have to create the table again and insert the data again.
So for a second, I will let you know.
Sorry?
After this class, I will check and I will let you know if I
Sure,
face any
sure,
issues.
sure.
That's it.
Sure. You try that after class and let me know. Okay. Okay, so now I will insert few records. This is the one, then this is a non-record. Okay, now in the employee table, suppose this is the data. Okay, in the employee table. Now this is the data. Yeah, this is the data. Okay, I removed that duplicate copy. I have this data only in the employee table. Now my question is, let's start with this query. What is the meaning of this query? This one. What is the meaning?
First, it is doing the order by the first name. When if at all, if there is any conflict or tie, then it goes to the last name.
Good. Here, engine will sort, first of all, based on the first name in ascending order, right? Okay. So out of this record, which one you will keep on top?
Abdul.
Abdul Khan. Okay. Then
Asif,
Then Asif.
then
Asif
Raj.
Sheikh. Then Raj Kumar. Okay. So do you think this will be the output?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me run this. Check the output. So engine is giving me this output. Are both the outputs same?
Yes.
Yes.
Both the outputs same, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. But my question is, in this output, have we used this condition?
No.
No.
Why we have not used this condition?
Since there is no tie in the
Conflict.
first name, so it will never go to the last name.
So there is
Is
no
this
conflict.
clear to everyone now?
Yes.
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 You all understood the use of this second condition?
Yes.
Yes.
So if there is any conflict based on the first condition, then engine will go to the second condition, guys. This
Yes.
is very important, okay? Generally, the misconception what many candidates, many students they have is they think that the meaning of this is first name in ascending order, last name in descending order. No, that is not the meaning. If that will happen, then what will be the output? First name in ascending order if you will keep. So you will keep Abdul first. Okay. Then you will keep Asif. Okay. Then you will keep Raj. Okay, right? And last name in descending order. So you will keep Sheikh. Then you will keep Kumar. Then you will keep Khan. Correct? If this is the meaning, then this will be the output. Now here you see everything is shuffled. Abdul Sheikh, but it was Abdul Khan. Asif Kumar, but it was Asif Sheikh, right? So that is why this is a misconception. Many students, when I take interview, I will ask this. They will tell Tanvir the meaning is first name will be sorted in ascending order, last name will be sorted in descending order. No, no. Please remove this misconception if anyone has this. Hope it is clear.
Yes, it is clear.
Okay, shall we proceed further?
Yes.
Yes, done.
Yes, please.
Okay. Now let's proceed further. And let's see. Now I'm trying to insert. You see how I have written this create table and then insert a script all together. I will select everything and I will click on run button. So in a single go, it will create the table and it will insert the data. Okay.
Yes.
If you want to check the data, this is the data. Okay. So here now I have created a practice table. Okay. And this is the data in front of you. Fine. Now I want to sort this. So I will write here order by val. So what is the meaning of this query?
Order by the value in the ascending order.
Ascending order.
Order by value in ascending order, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I will run this query, which record will keep on top?
1,
It will be difficult.
19.
As both numerical and alphabets.
But in case of alphabet,
19. See, here the catch is in the same column, you have numbers, you have alphabets, right?
yes.
And
Yes, sir.
among the alphabets, you have lowercase as well as uppercase, right?
Right. Yes.
So actually here we have a mix of data. You have numbers, you have lowercase, you have uppercase, correct?
Yes.
So I'm running this, check the output. This is the output. So what you understood from this output? Anyone?
So by default, it will pick numeric as.
You only considered only integers.
Okay. Any other thought?
Maybe based on the ASCII
But
value.
alphabet also can have some value.
Okay.
Maybe it's because based on the ASCII value, it is
ASCII value.
trying to, order by it.
Okay. 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 See, if you will observe this output, you will think that numbers are displayed on top, then uppercase, then lowercase, right?
Right, yeah.
Yes.
Correct, no?
Yeah.
But actually what happens when you are telling SQL engine to sort the data? Actually what happens, listen very carefully, this is an important concept. Engine first of all checks the ASCII value. ASCII value is nothing. Those who are very new to this technical world or to the IT industry, I will explain this in a layman term. ASCII is nothing like a code. Okay, for each and every letter, characters, we have given a code. So suppose if you want the code for 1, you write like this: select ASCII of 1 from dual. What is the code of 1? Code of 1 is 49. Is this clear?
Mhm.
Suppose similarly, if you want the code of 9, what is the value? 57. Okay. So in the world of computer, so each and every character, actually they have a code. Even if you will try this in your machine, you will get the same code. Okay. And then for this, anything, they have a code. And SQL engine, actually it sorts based on this code.
Okay.
So this lowercase a, what is the code? 97. Fine.
Why are you written minus 97?
Sorry?
There are two minus sign 90 before 97.
He's just showing it us.
Just for showing I'm written this here. Shall I remove this? Okay. I'll remove it. Okay. Is this clear? This is just for making you understand. I'm writing minus.
Just like output.
Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now uppercase A. Output is 65. Okay. Then take lowercase z. Output is 122. Uppercase z. Is the output. Output is 90. So you see each and every letter, they have a code, and that is known as ASCII. Is this clear first of all? Okay. Now, when you are telling SQL engine to sort the data, I have written here order by value. In which order, ascending or descending?
Ascending order.
Ascending. So out of this ASCII value, 49, 57, 97, 65, 122, 90. Which one will come first?
49.
49.
49. Now, what is the value of 49?
1.
1. So it will keep 1 on top. Then after 49, which value?
57.
57.
57. 57 is 9. So it will
Yes.
keep 9 here. So actually, this is how engine sorts the data. After 57, which value?
Small z. Low. Sorry.
65.
Low,
65.
Cap C. Cap C.
65. What is the value?
Capital
Cap
A.
A. Uppercase A. Right, uppercase A here. After 65,
90.
90.
90. What is the value? Upper Z.
Upper Z.
Upper Z.
Let's keep upper Z here. Then
Small a.
97.
97 is small a. Then
122. Small Z.
122 small z. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
So now if you will check it, Are you getting the same output here?
Yes.
Yes.
So internally, the SQL sorts the data based on ASCII value. Hope you all understood it.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Now, what happens? All the numbers, okay, they have the lowest ASCII value as compared to alphabets. So that is why always numbers will be on top. Then uppercase later will come and then lowercase letter always, because lowercase letter, you see, lowercase a has 97 and lowercase z has 122 and uppercase a has 65 and uppercase a has 90. So always numbers will be on top, then uppercase, then lowercase. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, Anish.
Now I want to create a table, customer, create table, customer link. Here I will insert few records, and if you have understood this, you have to tell me the outputs. Okay.
Hello,
So,
sir.
yes. Tell me.
Sir, why you write marker 50 always? Any specific reason for
I
that?
have discussed this in the previous class, and I think I've shared the recording with you of the previous class.
Yes.
Those who have not attended the Friday's class, I have getting background noise. Mute everyone. So those who have not attended the Friday's class, I have shared the recording link with you. Please go through the link. You will understand the reason. Still, if it is not clear, connect with me on my personal window. We can discuss it. Okay. Is that fine, guys? Assignment I will share in the target group again. You can practice on it. Okay. Shall I proceed now?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Can we discuss the assignment task for the upcoming days? Is it possible?
Sorry, your voice is too low. Can you repeat what you're telling?
Yeah, can we discuss the assignment task in the upcoming days? If anything struck or doubt means we can ask in that
Sure.
time.
You
Okay.
can discuss assignment at any point of time, but when daily you will see whenever I will start a class, I will ask you in the beginning that do you have any question either from assignment or from concept. So please make sure that you should ask question in the beginning and we will discuss it, not an issue. So tomorrow if you want, you can ask question at any point of time, you can ask question, not an issue. Okay, but in the beginning, you should ask because what happens generally after 8:30 or 8:45, few of the candidate students, no participants, they will drop the call because they have official meetings and all those things. So if I will discuss, then they will miss it. And that is why we recommend to share it during the first half. Okay, but you can ask any day, not an issue. Okay,
Okay, yeah, thanks.
no issues. We have this. Okay, in this customer table, I have inserted few records and I am not getting interaction from all the participants. Very few selected participants are replying. I want everyone to interact. Okay. So this is the customer table. I have inserted few records. Okay. Now here, Suppose I want to sort this in ascending order. So I will write here ordered by customer name. Okay. So now, if I will execute this, can you tell me which record should be on top?
Akash.
Akash.
Come on, tell me.
Capital Akash
Akash.
first.
Capital Akash.
Capital Akash.
Capital letter Akash, first name.
Capital Akash. Okay.
Next,
Then
capital
Then
Zidane.
Karan.
Zidane or Karan, which one?
Karan.
This Karan is in lower case. Please make a note of this point.
Oh, it's
Zidane.
Zidane, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
Then Akash.
Then Akash.
Here, small Akash, Karan.
hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes.
So I have told you here, no, the capital letter will be on top because they have the lower ASCII value as compared to lowercase. That is why Akash and Zidane will be on top. Out of Akash and Zidane, A will come first, then Z. And then lowercase a, lowercase k. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
If you want, I will run this. And please verify the output. Is this the same output?
Yes.
The candidates, they get confused here and they used to keep Karan and then Zidane because they think K will come first and then Z. But no, it works based on the ASCII value. Hope it is clear to everyone.
Okay, I have a question here, please.
Yes, yes.
I'm confused about ASCII value. Could you please explain a little more that how can
Sure.
you get the number? Like,
Sure.
how do you
Sure.
multiply?
Like,
Please.
no, I have not multiplied anything. Like suppose for Akash, if I want ASCII value. So what I will do, I will write here select ASCII. Engine will check the first character value. What is the first character in Akash? A. Engine will find the ASCII value of A. What is the ASCII value of A? 65. Okay. Then check the ASCII value of, and you don't have to remember it. No need to remember. Just remember one thing. Uppercase letters have the lower ASCII value as compared to lowercase. Okay. Then this lowercase a, lowercase a here. Now check the value of this lowercase a. What is the value? 97. Then uppercase Z. What is the value? 90. Then up lowercase k. What is the value? 107. So which one you will
Yes.
keep on top? 65, 97,
how do
90 or 107?
Ranveer, this is my question, that how do you get the number like 65, 90, 122?
I executed this query, this one. Okay, and they all have this
Oh,
fixed
okay.
value. This is
Okay,
fixed, this
got it.
value is fixed. And this ASCII is nothing that is code. This is stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. This is fixed. Even if you will run in your machine or in your computer, you will get the same value, 65.
Okay.
So this
got
is
it.
universally adopted. Okay.
Thank you.
First, no problem. So first 65 will come. So A means this Akash. Hope it is clear, guys. Now.
Yes.
There one small query.
Hmm.
It is the ASCII value is applicable only for the first letter, or else it will applicable for second letter also.
If first character has the same value, then engine will check the second character.
Okay. Okay.
Like suppose, let me add here one more record. Abdul. Okay. So now Akash and Abdul, they both have the first character same uppercase A, right?
Yes.
Then engine will check the second character, this K and B. Then B comes first, then K, right? So Abdul will display it first, then Akash. Is this clear?
Yes.
So it will maintain alphabetical order, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Mhm.
In
Okay.
case if it is K is uppercase in Akash, then Akash will reflect, right?
Ah, you're right. If K is uppercase here, then Akash will reflect than Abdul. Any other question?
Sir, what is this from dual?
Dual is a dummy table in Oracle. Okay. So
Okay.
this is like an inbuilt table of Oracle. We are not creating it. This is inbuilt.
Okay.
Is this clear?
Hmm.
Hope it is clear, guys, or do you have any question? Please ask if you have any question.
Yeah, clear as of now.
Shall we proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is 8:22 on my machine now. We'll take a break for 8 minutes, and it is 8:23 now. So we'll be back at 8:30. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Okay, hope my voice is audible now.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, fine. I think we should start now. So whatever I taught so far, was that clear to everyone?
Yes, Tanvir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let me proceed further. Okay. So now this is a country table which I have created and I have inserted few records. Okay, these are the records. Fine. Now the requirement is you have to write a query so that India should be displayed on top. Is the question clear? What is the
Yeah.
question?
India should be displayed on the top, followed by other
Yes.
countries.
Yes. I'm not bothered about the other countries, whether it is in ascending or descending or whatever order. My only concern is I want India to be displayed on top. Okay. So I thought of writing this query. Okay. And executing. Is India on top?
No.
No. No.
All right. What is the meaning of this query? What is the meaning of this query?
Maybe in the
The
ascending
name column is in the
Name in the
ascending
ascending
order.
order.
Ascending order.
Okay, the meaning is you want to display name in which order?
Ascending.
Ascending order.
As ascending order. So are you convinced with the output? Is this output correct?
No.
No.
No, I means we are not getting the expected output, I agree. But as per the query, output is correct now,
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
right? You have told to
Ascending
sort in ascending order. Output is in ascending order, right?
Yes.
Correct. So I tried order by name ascending, but India is not on top because we have Afghanistan here. Okay. Now, so I thought let's try with descending. And let's check if we'll get India on top. Are you getting India on top?
No.
Still India is not on top. Okay. So my manager told me to display India on top. I tried order by name ascending. India is not coming on top. I tried order by name descending. Still India is not on top, right? So, but my manager is telling
Sir,
to
one
bring
way.
India on.
Hello.
Sorry?
Sir, one way we can write the letter in how many letter in ascending ladder? India will be 5 letter only.
Hmm.
In that way, India will be in top.
Okay, we'll discuss it. First, let me complete. I tried order by name ascending. Are you getting India on top?
No.
No. I tried order by name descending. Still India is not on top. So far it is clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But my manager is telling that Tanvir, whatever you want, you do. My requirement is to display India on top. And this is a valid question, right?
Hmm.
You cannot tell that I can sort only in ascending or descending, right? So for that, I thought of writing this query. Ignore the query, okay? Don't try to understand it. Ignore it. Just focus on the output. I have written this query, something I have written. This is the output. Tell me, is this the expected output?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Indian stop.
Right? This was the expected, no? You
Yes.
want India on top. We have India on top, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's try to understand this query, that how it is getting executed and how we bring India on top. Okay. Shall we start?
Yes, please.
Okay. First of all, engine will execute from country, right? We have those who have not attended the Friday's class. I will again repeat, please, after this, first of all, listen to that. I have shared the recording. Okay. So first of all, engine will execute from country. So this is the country table, right?
Yes.
So engine will take a copy of this country table. It is here. After from country select, so we have selected this column. Then order by. What is the meaning of order by?
It is
Sorting.
Sorting the data.
to sort the data, right?
Yes.
I think since Friday we are studying order by only, and order by means to sort the data. Okay. After order by, what I have written?
Yes.
I have written case. Okay. Can you raise your hand? How many of you know this case or you have used in the SQL queries? I know a few of you already know SQL. I just want to understand my audience. Can you raise your hand? Okay, Jayant knows. Anyone else? Okay, only Jayant knows. Fine. Thank you, Jayant. Case in the SQL, it means you are giving certain instruction to the SQL. Okay. And based on the instruction, SQL has to do some task. Understood? Many times when you will go for shopping, right? Your parents will give instruction that buy this item from this store. If you're not getting this item, then buy this item, right? Something like this, we get instructions, correct? Or when you're working in project, your manager will give instruction that, okay, if this is the task, then perform this in this manner, get the data from this source and all those things. So that is the use of case. It means, first of all, in the case, you will give some condition and you will tell SQL engine that if this condition is met, then do this task. If this condition is met, then do this task. Understood? And this is like our daily life activity we perform now, right? Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. That is case. And this case, many instances during the course, you will see the application of case. So here I have written case when name is equal to India, then one. So stop here. First of all, try to understand the meaning till here. Case when India is equal to case when name is equal to India, then one. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is we are telling to the SQL engine that in the name column where you find India, pick it and keep that in one. Here one means bucket number one. Okay. I will create a bucket. So this is bucket number one. And in this bucket, I have kept India. This is the meaning of case when name is equal to India, then one. It means in this name column, search for India, pick it from there and keep that in a bucket number one. Is this clear so far?
Yes, I'm okay.
Hope it is clear to everyone, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. After that, you have written else. What is the dictionary meaning of else? You all know that, I know, but still I'm asking, what is the dictionary meaning of else?
Next.
Remaining.
Other than that, remaining one, right?
Yes.
So apart from India, these all are the remaining one?
Yes.
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 Then for this remaining one, what instruction you have given?
Else two.
Second.
End.
It means the remaining one you have to keep in which bucket?
Two.
Bucket two.
One bucket.
Bucket two. This remaining countries, I will keep in bucket two. Why we are creating buckets? Why I'm keeping in buckets two? All these things will be answered. Just hold on. Just try to understand whatever I'm teaching so far. Is this clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
So the remaining countries will be in bucket number 2. Is this clear?
Yes.
And then it is and. So it means there is no other condition. So whenever you're writing case, you have to write and at the last. This is mandatory. If you will not write and, the engine will throw error message. Be careful. This end means there is no other condition. This is the only condition. Is this clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. After order by, okay, I will repeat this. Order by case when name is equal to India, then 1. This blue color. What is the meaning of this blue color code? Keep India in which bucket? Bucket number 1. Then else 2 means the remaining country name. Keep that in bucket number 2. The remaining countries I kept in bucket number 2. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Okay. After this end, have I written anything ascending or descending?
No.
Oh,
No. So in order by, if you will not write ascending or descending, by default, what engine will take or consider?
Ascending.
Ascending order.
Ascending. Okay, good. So engine will sort this in ascending order, but not the data, the buckets. Engine will sort buckets in ascending order. So here, how many buckets we have?
2 buckets.
2 buckets.
What is the numbering of the buckets?
1 followed by
1
2.
and 2.
1 and 2. So in ascending order, which bucket you will place first?
1,
1.
then 2.
So that is why this bucket number 1 will be placed first and then bucket number 2. Is this clear?
Mhm.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Then finally you have to unbox it. Bring it out of the bucket. So are you getting India on top? And then all other countries? Is this clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got India on top? Is this clear, guys, so far?
Yes, it
Yes,
is.
Yes.
So this is the output of engine. And this is the output as per the analysis. Are they both same?
No.
Yes. No.
You see, the main condition was to keep India on top. India is on top, right?
Yes.
After that, you are thinking that Tanvir, this. After that, you are thinking that Tanvir, this remaining countries are not in the same order, right?
Yes.
Correct, no? So for the remaining countries, we have not given any condition, correct? So that's why these remaining countries can be in any order. That is not a concern. What was the main question? To keep India on top. I have kept India on top. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
One
Is
more
this
doubt,
clear to
Tanvir.
everyone? Yeah.
Yes,
So
Tanvir.
for the remaining thing, it won't be considered as ascending because default.
It is
thing
random. It
random
is a pure coincidence that it is in ascending order. This is pure. This will be purely random. If you want, let 1 minute. Just give me one. Let me do one thing here. Job table country. 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute, guys. Now see, same query I executed now, right?
Yes.
Same query I have executed. India is on top. Do you think all the other countries are in ascending order?
No.
No, that is what I
No.
told. That was pure an accident that here everything was sorted in ascending order. India is on top. This is what you're looking for, correct?
Yeah.
The remaining countries can be in any order. Is this clear?
Mhm. Yeah,
Now, do you
main
have any
purpose
question?
was India.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, please ask what question you have.
Sir, if you give some case remaining country ascending or descending, that it's work.
I will come to that. That is the next scenario. We'll discuss it. That is the next scenario. That okay, your manager is telling I want India on top, but all the other countries in ascending. We'll discuss it. But first of all, is this clear or not?
Yes, clear.
Yes, yes.
Are you sure, guys? You all understood this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay,
Yes.
let me connect my laptop. The battery is getting drained out. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I'll connect my laptop. Charge it. Okay. So far, you all understood. Okay. Now,
Yeah. Could you please
now my man.
could you please write down the question as well?
Sorry, could you please random?
No, could you please write down the question as well? Then we can understand what was the scenario.
Here the scenario is to display India on top. This was the question.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now the question is no issues. Now the question is, my manager is telling that we display India on top, but all the other countries in ascending order. Is the question clear?
Yes.
Now this
Yes,
is the
sir.
question of my manager. Is the question clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
So for that, what I will do, I will write comma and then I will write name here. I will explain you the meaning. Don't worry. Just focus on the output and tell me, is this the correct output or not? Tell me, is this the expected output as per your manager?
Yes.
Is this the expected output, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
India is on top. All other countries are in ascending order.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's try to understand how this query is getting executed. Okay. First of all, from country. So let's take copy of the country table. So this is our country table. Okay. Fine. What is the meaning of order by? To sort the data. Then in this we have written case when name is equal to India, then what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
Have some particular case that in case that India is number one.
Display India in the top.
No.
We are
That is
dividing.
not the meaning. The meaning is keep India in bucket number 1.
Yeah.
Correct? This is what I told, no?
Right.
Correct.
2 buckets been divided.
What I have told you to keep India in bucket number 1. So India in bucket number 1. Okay. This is bucket number 1. Is this clear?
Yes.
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 Please don't tell that we are telling to display India on top. The 1 doesn't mean to keep India on top. I will explain that.
The only meaning is to keep India in bucket number 1. Hope it is clear.
Mhm. Yes.
Yes.
What is the meaning of else to?
To create a
Put the
bucket two.
remaining data in bucket
Other-
number 2.
Mhm.
Remaining data in bucket number 2. Let me copy the remaining data. Let me keep this in bucket number 2. Guys, please go on mute if you're not speaking. This is bucket number 2. So far, is this clear?
Yes.
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 Okay. Then I have written end. What is the meaning of end? The meaning of end is there is no more conditions. Okay.
Okay.
Then after that, I have given a comma and I have written name, right? So the meaning of this name which I have given after this condition is we are telling SQL engine that, okay, no, 1 minute. After end, have I written ascending or descending?
No.
No.
No. So it means this buckets will be sorted in which order?
Ascending order.
Ascending order.
So which bucket you will keep on top?
First bucket.
First
One.
bucket.
First bucket. Let me keep this on top. Bucket number 2 after this. Is this clear?
Yes.
Then you have name here. The meaning of this name is within this bucket, within each bucket, sort the data in ascending order, because after name have I mentioned anything ascending or descending? No. So it means within each bucket, you have to sort the data in ascending order. So in bucket number 1, you have only India. Okay. So we will keep India in this bucket number 1 in the same order because we have only one element. There is no sense of sorting it, right?
Yes.
Correct. So this is your bucket number 1. Now in bucket number 2, please go on mute if you guys are not speaking. Okay, in bucket number 2, you have to sort this in ascending order. So if you sort this in ascending order, which country you will keep on top within this bucket 2?
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan you will keep on top, right?
Yes.
And after Afghanistan,
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Pakistan, then
Russia.
Russia, then
Sri
United
Lanka.
Kingdom.
Sri Lanka, then
United Kingdom.
United Kingdom. We have sorted the data within each buckets, right? So you understood the meaning of this name, guys?
Yes. Tanu.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now we have fulfilled all the conditions. Now unbox it. So when you will unbox, you'll keep India here and all these countries. So now, are you getting the same output here?
Yes.
Is this clear how this query is getting executed line by line, word by word?
Tanvir,
Yes.
so it's like, we are dividing the, table into 2 parts, 2 buckets,
Correct.
like
Correct.
1 and 2. And then
Correct.
we are just saying, saying that, it's the end, like India should be on group 1, and then rest of it should be on the group 2, and that is the end. And the last name is, it is to combine both the, the groups 1 and 2 together, keeping India on top.
No, the last name which I have written, no, the meaning of this is within each bucket, you sort the data in ascending order. That is the meaning. And then finally unbox it.
Okay.
So in a step 1, what we are doing, we are creating buckets. India in bucket 1, all other countries in bucket 2. Is this clear? Clear?
Yes, yes.
It is. Yeah.
Creating buckets and segregating data. Okay. Then in step 2, what we have done here, sort the data within each bucket in ascending order. Then in step 3, what we have done, unbox. Is this clear, guys?
This is clear. Yeah.
Yes,
Thanks. Thank you.
Are you sure everyone it is clear?
yes, Tanvi.
Yes.
Yes,
So
okay, good.
if bucket 1 has 2 or 3 names, then it will be sorting within the bucket, like
Correct.
the bucket
Correct.
1.
I will show you that. Correct. Within bucket 1, that will be sorted. I will show you that example. So
Okay.
tomorrow as well, we will be discussing only order by. Just 60% we have completed so far. Okay. We have many scenarios still pending. We'll discuss it. Shall I show you one more scenario? Or
Yes,
else
yes.
do one thing.
Yes,
Do one thing.
please.
Do one thing. Do one thing. It is 8:59. Okay, fine. Quickly, I will show you one more scenario. Okay. If I will write here DSC. Okay. Then now try to understand this query. I've written here DSC. So first of all, what you will do? You will
Order.
keep India in bucket number 1.
Yeah.
So you will get this one, correct?
Yes.
Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Else 2. What is the meaning of else 2?
Keep the rest in the bucket.
Remaining
Bucket 2.
bucket 2 remaining part.
Rest of the, yeah.
Remaining countries in bucket 2. This is clear?
Yes.
Remaining countries in bucket 2. What is the meaning of end? There is no more condition,
more
right?
Conditions.
After end, have I written ascending or descending?
No.
No. So by default, this will be in which order?
Ascending.
Ascending order.
And
So what you will sort in ascending order? Buckets or data?
Buckets.
Okay.
Bucket. So bucket number 1 will keep first. Then bucket number 2 will keep after that. Okay. Then you have written name descending. What is the meaning of this?
Within the bucket, sort the values in the
Descending.
descending order.
first, second
Wi-
bucket.
Within each bucket, sort the data in descending order. So in bucket number 1, you have only one element. So there is no sense of sorting it. Correct? No.
Yes.
So we'll keep it as it is. Bucket number 2, we have to sort. Correct? Then descending order, which record you will keep first?
United Kingdom.
United Kingdom.
United Kingdom. Then
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. I think it is in reverse order, right?
Russia.
Russia.
Russia,
Russia, Pakistan.
Pakistan. Afghanistan.
Pakistan, and Afghanistan, right? Then you will unbox it. Correct? No,
Mm-hmm.
I have
Yeah.
unboxed it. So if I will execute this query, I should get this output.
Yeah, we should.
Yes.
Okay, I am running this query. Please verify the output. Is this the same output, guys?
Yes.
Is this the same output, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, done.
So hope you understood little bit.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
So how this query is getting executed, at least something is clear.
Yeah,
Yes.
it is.
Yes, sir.
But don't think it is over. We have many more scenarios to discuss. We will continue this tomorrow.
but please do one thing, go through the recording, and those who have just missed the Friday's class, please go through the recording of Friday's class. Then go through the recording of today's class, and then start working on the assignment. Okay, so make a routine daily, at least 1 hour minimum you have to spend after class. Working
there
on
is one-
assignment is very important. Yeah.
One last question, like the order by executions are happening in the temporary table, right? Then it will
Yes.
be
Hmm.
in any
Yes.
cases, any kind of
Ah.
manipulations.
Right. So engine will display this, and after that, engine will remove all those things because this is happening in the temporary mode.
Temporary case, yeah.
Okay. So fine then, guys, I will stop here, and I'm very sorry for delay today. Generally, we will share the meeting invite at 6:50 a.m. IST, just 10 minutes before the class. And then the class will start at sharp 7 a.m. IST. Fine then. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Tanvir.
Bye.
Have a good day.
No issue. Bye. Bye.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day. Bye.